Well, how's it going, everyone? I'm Joe, and this is Random Fishing. Back down here at Whiteley Creek. I was down here a few weeks ago, first day of trout. People everywhere. Got the whole place to myself today. We're just going to do a little multi-species fishing. Let's go for whatever's biting. Well, there we go. Nice little rainbow. Easy there, pal. Let's put them back. Got to be one down here by this little log jam. There we go. I didn't expect that. Little largemouth bass. Put them back. Something really little grabbing at it. I'll bust this trout worm in half. See if we can't catch that little sucker. There we go. They got you now. Hey! Little tiny smallmouth this time. Hey, I got a hook coming out of his butt. Crazy fish. Oh, let me get that hook out of you. There you go. That's better. Put them back. Even got a free hook out of the deal. Oh, you probably heard me say it before. Always fish under the bridge. There we go. And their little tiny smallmouth. Cute little guy. Let's put him back. Still have yet to catch my first rock bass or green sunfish of the year. Hoping to pick one or both of them up today. Usually catch a lot of them down here in the summer. Still a little early yet, but they might be biting. There we go. Oh yeah. There's my first rock bass of the year. Oh, easy, buddy. There he is. Put him back. All right. There's our first green sunfish of the year. Got a little sore there on his mouth. Must have been hooked before. He looks pretty healthy though. Let's put him back. This wouldn't be a day down here at the creek without that train going by. do we get this time? Oh, we got a really nice trout this time. That's a surprise. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get him over the bank. Oh, yeah. You crazy fish. Calm down, buddy. Calm down. Let me see if I can get him up here. Arr. Oh. There goes my hook. Well, that didn't work out too good, did it? Well, that was definitely a good one, especially for this creek. Had to been at least 15 inches, probably bigger. I should have knew better than try to pull him up over that bank. Let's try again. There we go. Well, I can definitely pull this one up the bank. There's a crazy little smallmouth. Put him back. I think we can get this one up here. Add to our multi-species list. Got a little brown trout this time. Cute little guy. Easy there, pal. There he is. Let's put him back. I just been switching it up between the red worm and the butter worm. And trout worm now and then. Come on, fish. We'll get him this time. There we go. That time we got her. Another nice little rainbow. There's a little guy though. Let's put him back. There he is. Let's put him back. I'll take a cast or two here, and then I'm going to head on over to the pond. Still haven't got a bluegill yet, or a crappie. Think I could catch him over at the pond. There we go. Yeah, he's got another trout. A little brown trout. Let's put him back. There we got something. Hey, creek chub. It isn't. No, it's not a creek chub. Oh, come on, buddy. That's just a little tiny brown trout. I'll put him back. A little bigger rock bass this time. Get my hook back, buddy. Let's put him back. Okay, so we had a pretty good time over there at the creek. Caught a lot of trout. I think ended up with 6 species altogether. I think we had a rainbow trout, brown trout, largemouth bass, smallmouth bass, rock bass, and a green sunfish. Just a quick stop here by the pond before heading home. See if I can't pick up maybe 2 more species. I'm thinking maybe a bluegill and a crappie. Starting to rain a little bit. Gotta make this quick. That was pretty quick there. There's Mr. Crappie. That little guy. Easy, buddy. Let's put him back. Come on, Mr. Bluegill. There he is. Oh, yeah. Oh, Mr. Bluegill. Let's put him back. Oh, I've been dropping a lot of fish today. There he is. Put him back. There's my noisy old train. All right, with that, I think I'm going to get on out of here. We had a good day. Caught a lot of fish. I think we ended up with 8 different species. Caught a whole lot of trout. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time on Random Fishing. All right. You know, I just couldn't leave without taking a couple casts for some bass. That little guy. Put him back. Hey, crazy fish. Come on, buddy, open your mouth up. Put him back. Well, it turned out to be a really nice day today. After the storms in the morning, things cleared up pretty good. Had a great day of fishing. Caught a lot of fish. Maybe just one more cast. Great. Stuck on a cattail. Got off. Is the fish still on there? Oh, he's on there. Still wrapped in the weeds. I put him back. I lost my Senko. So with that, I'm going to get on out of here. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time on Random Fishing. Did you really think I didn't have a spare? Put them back. All right, just one last cast here by the car. All these frogs down here, gotta be a fish. There he is. Oh, come on over here, pal. There we go. Good looking fish there. That's probably the biggest one of the day. One of the last cast. Let's put them back. All right. That's it for sure this time. Thanks for watching.